Today the topic of our video is concept of a triangle. Now what is a triangle? It is a closed figure A, B and C, or CAB or BCA. This is a closed figure which has three sides, side AC, side CB and side AB, and it has three interior angles like angle A, angle B and angle C, and it has three vertices, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. So what is a triangle? The triangle is a closed figure and it has three parts: its sides, its angles and its vertex or vertices. Now sides are also known as the arms of the triangle, like AC and BC or CB are the arms of the triangle, whereas AB is the base of the triangle. Now the angle A over here is the interior angle because it is inside the triangle, and where these two lines meet, this point is known as vertex. Where AC and B and C line meet at point C, this point is known as vertex. Similarly, here also this point capital B is the vertex. Hope you have understood the concept of triangle. Now, classification of triangles with respect to its sides. A triangle with three equal sides, it is known as equilateral triangle. It is a triangle in which all sides of the triangle are equal in length. Like this side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. This means that these three sides of the triangle are equal in length. We have denoted it by this line that these are equal in lengths. And all the angles in equilateral triangle are also equal. A triangle with two equal sides, it is known as isosceles triangle. A triangle in which any two sides of the triangle are equal, it is known as isosceles triangle. Equal means equal in length. Like in this triangle, this side and this side are equal in length because it is denoted by this line, and in isosceles triangle the base angles are also equal. Now a triangle with no equal sides, it is known as scalene triangle. All sides of the triangle are different in length. Like this triangle, all the sides are different in length and all the angles in the scalene triangle are also different in measurement. Now classification of the triangle with respect to angles. Acute angled triangle. Acute angle means that the angle is less than 90. So the triangle in which there are three acute angles, it is known as acute angle triangle. Like this, in this triangle you can see that the angles, the interior angles are less than 90 degrees. Therefore, this triangle is known as acute angled triangle. Then right angle triangle. In this triangle, one angle is of measure 90 degrees. One angle is right angle. Therefore, this triangle is known as right angled triangle. Then obtuse angled triangle. Obtuse angle means that one angle is greater than 90 degrees. You can see this angle is greater than 90 degrees. Therefore, the triangle that is formed by combining the three sides, this triangle is known as obtuse angled triangle, in which one angle is obtuse. Now concept of angle sum of a triangle. Now the statement is the sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. This is a theorem and we have to prove it. Now the first part is the sum of interior angles of a triangle. This means that we have to draw a triangle and the interior angles are these angles. Let's name them angle 2 at C, angle 4 at A and angle 5 at B. Now what we will do, we will draw a line parallel to line AB and we name it as line PQ. Now you can see this PQ is parallel to line AB and PQ is passing through the point C. Now we will solve this theorem, the statements, and by reasoning them. Now you can see that when there are two parallel lines and there is a transverse between it, this angle here and this angle here, they are equal because they are the alternate angles. In the same way, over here we can see that the angle over here, we say it is angle 1, it is parallel or it is equal to angle 4 over here, because this line is parallel to this line. So in the statement we write it as BAC. B, A and C is equals to angle at ACP. Or if we write it like this, that angle 4 is equal to angle 1. And the reason is that alternate angles of parallel lines, because PQ is parallel to AB and in the parallel lines the alternate angles are equal. So we can see that this angle 1 is equal to angle 4. In terms of writing them like this, BAC and sign of angle at A, this means that angle A is equals to angle C over here. Angle 4 is equals to angle 1 because it is the alternate angles of parallel lines. Similarly, angle ABC is equals to angle BCQ. Now you can see that in parallel lines this angle 1 is equal to this angle 4 because PQ is parallel to AB. So this angle over here, which is the exterior angle, it is equal to the interior angle. Now if we take ABC, where angle B is denoted by 5 and BCQ, here the angle is 3. This means that angle 5 is equal to angle 3 and the reason is alternate angles of the parallel lines. This means angle 4 is equals to angle 1 and angle 5 is equals to angle 3. Now the adjacent angles on a straight line, they are equals 180. This means that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3, they are equal to 180 degrees. This means that angle ACP and angle ACB and angle BCQ, they are equal to 180 degrees because the adjacent angles on a straight line are equal to 180 degrees. By using this logic, we can say that the angle BAC plus angle ACB plus angle ABC, which are 4, 5 and 2. These, by adding these three angles, they also give us the result 180 degrees, and we say that this is angle sum of the triangle. This means that if we add the interior angles of a triangle, they give us the sum, that is 180 degrees. And how we have proved it? We have proved it by taking the help of the concept of the parallel lines and the alternate angles of the parallel lines equivalence. and in this way we have solved this, that the sum of interior angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Hope you have understood this. Now, how we use that theorem, the sum of interior angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees, in solving the question. Now, if the question is that find the type of a triangle and in which angle A is 20 degrees and angle B is 60 degrees, and we have to find the type of the triangle with respect to side and with respect to angle, what we will do, we will use the theorem of angle sum of triangle, which is equals to 180 degrees, which we proved earlier. So what we will do, we will write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. We will substitute the values of angle A and angle B, that is 20 degrees plus 60 degrees. We get 80 degrees. We subtracted from 180, we get the angle C, that is 100 degrees. Now you can see that in this triangle, one angle is greater than 90 degrees. So this triangle is an obtuse angled triangle, and as all the angles are different, so it is a scalene triangle. Now let's take another question. Angle A is 70 degrees and angle B is 40 degrees. Using the angle sum of triangle equal to 180 degree theorem, what we will do, we will write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. We will substitute the values of angle A and angle B, that is 70 degree and 40 degree. We add them, we get 110. We subtracted from 180 to get the value of angle C, that is 70 degrees. Now you can see that two angles are equal, so it is an isosceles triangle, because in isosceles triangle the two angles or the base angles are equal. So this is isosceles triangle, and all angles are less than 90 degrees, so it is an acute angled triangle, because you can see all the angles, angle A is 70, it is less than 90, angle B is 40 and angle C is 70. So we can say that it is an acute angled triangle. Hope you have understood the concept of triangle, their classification with respect to sides, with respect to angles, the theorem of the angle sum of a triangle, that is equal to 180 degrees, and how we use it in solving the question, in identifying the triangle, whether they are isosceles or acute angle triangle or obtuse or right or scalene, and you will practice. Thank you.